Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor there. I'm kind of the IRS insider, and I tell you what IRS is going to do in situations. In this case today, I'm going to talk about receiving an IRS form CP59 and what happens with that. As a revenue officer, a former IRS agent, which I was for 10 years, and by the way, I've written a best-selling book. I'm not asking you to buy it, about IRS settlements, just letting you know I know my stuff here. When you get that CP59 notice, collection process notice, IRS is saying they don't have a tax return for you, and a bunch of these CP59s are going out for the year 24. I don't know why. IRS has targeted the 24 year, maybe because they think, I don't know, I don't know what the reason. Most of the people that have called me on this haven't filed for the last 6 years, which you have to file the last 6 years. For some reason, IRS has picked the year 24. But anyway, if you have received that notice, it's the first notice that you're going to get that you haven't filed a tax return, and now you're in the grip of IRS, and they're not going to let you go. They will set up a second letter. Sometimes the CP26 goes out, but you may get another letter, but you're going to be on the clock. If you don't think you're liable to file, you've got to fill out IRS form 15103. 15103. You fill that out. You got to sign it and tell IRS why you're not liable. But IRS now, if they have information on you like a 1099, a W-2, and you do nothing, IRS is going to file that tax return for you, and you're going to wind up owing a lot more money. If you ran a side business, you don't have any expenses. If you're a 1099, they're giving you no expenses. It is in your best interest to file that tax return. File something, because you don't want IRS to come in and file for you, which they definitely will do. They can do that under 6020B of the code. I know that doesn't mean crap to you, but they can. So if you need those tax returns filed and someone to work out a settlement for you, I've worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 43, so I know this system real well. So once again, if you receive that CP59 and want to get this over, call me. With or without records, we can put your tax return together. We know how to reconstruct tax returns real easy. Half my day is spent reconstructing tax returns. I wish you the best. Contact me. We're kind of a really friendly firm. We have a lot of IRS insight. So thank you very much for listening. Please give me a subscription. You're welcome to leave a comment or like, or if you know someone who hasn't filed and you just like me, you can share me with them. Thank you very much. I appreciate your day.